Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to unmute Instagram Notes, and the first step is go to the application of Instagram. And in this part you need to go to the option of the notes here in the messages, and you need to, for example, I mute these notes you put here in mute notes, and these notes disappear of this part, for example, mute notes, and that person disappear. If you want to unmute that person, you need to go to their profile. You will need to you need to search their profile here, and you go here to the part of following, and in the part of following you pick here in mute, and you need to disable this option of notes. So you pick here, and now that person you can see your notes again. So you can restart it, and that's it. Here is the notes of the person you mute. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.